Hello, my dear friends of electronics. My name is Lorandt. I indeed invite today Timo, my colleague.
Hey, Lorandt.
Hi, Timo. I'm looking for a connection wire to board in one piece, pluggable, and I don't know. Do you have any idea how to solve this?
Yes, the SKEDD technology can fit. It's a direct plug technology.
Okay.
So, like you can see here, we assemble the cable, and here's no mating part on the PCB, so we can directly plug it in and can realize a wire-to-board solution.
Okay, that's cool. Do I need a special PCB preparation for that?
No, that's really not necessary. It's just a normal wire specification and nothing really special.
And how good is the connection? How good can be assured that you have a low DC resistance?
Well, this is affected to the special contact design. I can show you here. This is a normal via preparation, and you can see inside it works similar like a spring. So we are realizing the contact force from the contact itself against the via. And here we are connecting the via at that 4 points.
Mm-hmm.
And important is that the via connection is over the whole thickness of the PCB.
Right.
And that's the reason why we can realize a much lower contact resistance compared to a normal solder technology.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. And I can see it can be released. How many mating cycles have that?
Well, with that one we define in the spec 5 mating cycles. So we have to combine the electrical parameters with a mechanical one. And the mechanical parameters, because of the plastic housing, they will limit that.
Mm-hmm.
So regarding the electrical parameters, we are able to realize much more, but we are defining a defined force to plug it in and to pull it out, and to be in that spec, we are defining 5 mating cycles. But that's still fine to test the PCB, to test it again, assemble it, and later if you have the case that you have to repair something, so there we are modular.
So, hope you have enjoyed this video, and please watch my next videos, and see you next time. Bye bye.